Can you do it? Here's what I'm going to do. Today's file, no late fees. All right, so today's file is a $500 fines and costs and work days, but that's a different issue. We'll talk about that. So you're going to owe me time and you owe me $500. But if you can show me a valid license within 60 days, I'll waive the $500. So I will literally pay you $500 to go get your license straight. Counsel, go ahead and put your appearance on.
1733 on behalf of Ms. Hyde McCall, who is opposing her. She has been made a generous offer to plead the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed person to drive by the state of that.
All right. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yeah.
Did you understand those rights and the options presented to you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yeah.
In understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yeah.
Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on, what is that, 12/7/25? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? Satisfied, counsel? So am I. I'll accept the added charge, dismiss the original charge. Tell me what I should know before I sentence.
Yeah, she is working on clearing up her license. She has started a payment arrangement with Romulus District Court.
Yep.
Consistent payments. However,
Yep.
this fine can cost be minimal and that she be allowed to add this to her.
Okay. What's the status of license now? Yeah. Is there a light at the end of the tunnel? Is she close?
Well, she's on a current, because she has a new baby, she's on a $50 a month payment plan.
Yep.
So she has some time.
Okay. Anybody else you owe money to or just us? Okay. Were you working before the baby?
Yeah.
Where at?
I work all the way up.
Good. Where at? Yep. Yep. How long you been with the group home? Okay. All right. So you owe us who? So currently you owe us $700. That sound right? As of April 9th, it said you owed us $711. So if you've made a payment since then, it's not in here. All right. Say again. Boy, that kid's got some great lungs. He's cute as hell.
Sorry.
Okay. If I gave you a really, really sweetheart deal, could you borrow the $700 and get that paid up and get your license within 30 days? If it's not a possibility, then that's fine.
Like, 700 at once, and I could.
No, I just understanding you got to get this paid before you can go see Secretary of State.
Yeah.
Is there any chance you can get your license renewed in the next 30 days?
If we put 60, right? It might be more doable with 60.
Pushy.
I am.
Can you do it? Here's what I'm going to do. Today's file, no late fees. All right, so today's file is a $500 fines and costs and work days, but that's a different issue. We'll talk about that. So you're going to owe me time and you owe me $500. But if you can show me a valid license within 60 days, I'll waive the $500. So I will literally pay you $500 to go get your license straight. You understand that? How come you aren't as excited as you should be? Counsel, is that a good deal?
Wonderful deal. She's processing.
Okay. Is it possible you can do that? I mean, I'm talking about grandma. I need my next 10 Christmas presents right now. Whatever you got to do, you get your license straight in the next 60 days because that saves you $500. Okay. All right. Now, when are you freed up to go back to work? Because I'm assuming you're going back to work as soon as you can. You're back to work already? Oh, you're a hard worker. All right.
I took off today. That was fun.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. So I'm going to give you another gift. Usually I order 4 days on the court work program. I'm going to order 2 days for you. That's a birthday present for the baby. All right. So you sign up for 2 days on our work program. You pick them. Those days you have to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. You work with our crew, probably 5 hours, 6 hours, and you're done for the day. Got it?
I drive him to school right
How old is he?
He's not.
Okay. All right. When? What time you got to get him to school?
by 8:20, but it can be before 8:20.
Where's he go to school?
We go to Westland, I'm hearing Roby Cherry.
Okay, yeah, but you'd have to have him in there at 7:30. That's probably not an option. Because I mean, do they have some kind of like a pre,
That's why.
you can do that? 2 days, all you got to do it. Okay, all right. So fines and costs, $500 or valid ops within 60. Council getting all this, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And 2 days on the work program. Okay. What's that little guy's name?
Sorry.
All right. Questions? All right. Go downstairs, set that up. Good luck. Council, have a great day.
Good morning, Tim. You want to be 64917 here in
Spearman.
here in this year, Spearman, please say today.
Jeanette Spearman.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a time case scheduled for a pretrial. Been able to pre-trial the case with the city attorney. We have a resolution subject to the court's approval. The defendant will be pleading no contest to one count of retail fraud with the understanding to be taken pursuant to that which is told. The reason for the no contest plea, Your Honor, is a possibility of civil liability.
Okay.
She has been advised of her rights, in particular her rights to trial. She will be herself on that plea today, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, did you discuss your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? Got them. And you understand the possible penalty for retail fraud? And understanding all of this, are you pleading no contest to that charge? You understand that when you plead no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge. Yes, and you're pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? Counsel, can you provide the facts I need for an incident date of November 2025?
Judge, I've been able to review police report and take into that incident, which indicated that the defendant was at the Sheets location in Congress, Michigan, took approximately $26 worth of goods without paying for them and exited the store. In reviewing that, I also reviewed that with this prosecuting attorney. We find a basis for it, Your Honor, and I said you something.
All right, I find the facts will support the plea. I'll accept the plea. What should I know before I sentence?
20 years old, living with grandma right now. Her and grandma had been on and off for a number of years. She's stable. She's working right now. She's at Amazon. She's working Wednesdays to Sundays, doing the right thing. She's embarrassed about this. When she came in today, she literally was about to cry. She wants to put this behind her. She'll do whatever she can to reconcile and take care of it.
All right.
Her concern is possibly with work program running into work. She is working 40 hours plus. So that would be her concern, Your Honor, but she's sorry about it. She wants to put it behind her. It's a perfect situation for somebody to avail themselves of what I can do.
All right. Where'd you go to high school at?
Renaissance High School in Detroit, Judge.
Graduated? What was your GPA?
6, I think. I don't.
Any school after high school?
Judge, I can help out a little bit. I see where you're going with this and speaking with her.
She should be in school somewhere.
We've talked about it. She's also an entrepreneur. So she's actually making money right now doing hair and nails. Wants to use her Amazon money to fund that. She wants to be an entrepreneur. That's what she wants to do. She appreciates that college is necessary for some stuff. She's got a good head on her shoulders.
Okay.
So we've already talked about that.
Other than this day.
Yes, exactly.
So who is Harris Thompson? So you were with grandma at Sheets? Was it just, I mean, you just had to get something to eat? Where are you living now?
We're trying to figure out an apartment. She's older, so she's trying to get an older apartment. So she don't have to pay as much because we're struggling financially. But right now, I'm kind of living in.
The mailing address is proper. You can see the one in Detroit.
Okay. So, before you get out of my building, go downstairs, the counter, far end of the counter, you want to talk to Avery Taylor. He's got a hairdo like his.
Okay.
He's the best dressed guy in the building.
Okay.
Tell him that you've got housing issues right now and see if he can put you in touch with somebody right next door at Wayne Metro. I'm not making any promises other than the fact that let's see if we can give you any help there. Okay. All right. So which Amazon facility are you working at?
BTW1.
Where's that one at?
This one?
Okay. That's the one here. Okay. All right. So you're here all the time. All right. Listen to me. If you get to the point where you got to go to Sheets and steal something to eat, you come see me. You hear me? Come see me. I'll give you money rather than deal with this. I got a gift card right here, just waiting for somebody like you. Not, you hearing me? Okay? I understand desperation. There's always something better to do. I'm just giving you another better option. Okay? All right. So back to work. How soon can you come up with the restitution for sheets? The prosecutor said 2449. So by Friday next week. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you a lot of grace today. 6 months, stay out of trouble, pay the 2449 before next Friday's we close of business, and that's all you got to do to keep me happy. All right? Understand. That means that during the next 6 months, if you commit another crime, now I can penalize you on this file. I'm letting you out today. Right? I'm believing him that you're smarter than this. Right? That this was just desperation. And I've already given you the fix to desperation, right? Okay? So you keep my tail wagging for 6 months and then we'll dismiss this. This will never bother you in the future. Okay? Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.